Saya Datin Nadira binti Syazali.
Hi, my name is Novatini Izzati binti Muhammad Al-Husaini.
Hi, my name is Nurul Aimin Musa.
First of all, we start with search engine of Google, crawler. This type of search engine uses a spider or a crawler to search the internet. The crawler digs through individual web page, pulls out the keywords, and then adds the page to the search engine database. There are some advantages and disadvantages of crawler. The first advantage of crawler is they contain a huge amount of page. Secondly, easy of use. And third, familiarity. There are some disadvantages of crawler. First, sometimes it's just too much information. Secondly, it is easy to trick the crawler. And then, page rank can be manipulated. Next, directories. Directories are human-powered search engine. A website is submitted to the directory and must be approved for inclusion by editorial staff. Open Directory Project and the Internet Public Library are examples of directories. The first advantage of directories is each page is reviewed for relevance and content before being included. This means no more surprise porn sites. Secondly, less results sometimes means finding what you need quicker. The disadvantage of directories is first, unfamiliar design and format. Next, delay and creation of a website and its inclusion in the directory. Next, may have trouble with more obscure search.
Now, let's look at the other services that are available by Google. First of all, it's Google Meet. Google Meet is a video conferencing that is available to everyone, and it is free for those who have Gmail account. Google Meet also is widely used for online meetings such as for business, for office and online classes. And the users of the Google account can create an online meeting up to 100 participants at one time. So, how to join or create a meeting on Google Meet? Everyone can organize the meeting by clicking meeting codes or links, and the participant can join the meeting by entering the meeting code or by clicking the links given to them. And then now let's look at the features of Google Meet. First of all, there is microphone, camera, chats, layout, and the button to present. And the users also can change the background into blur or put any wallpaper.
Google Maps, a Google service that provided alternative maps with detailed information about geographical sites around the world and provide street views. The user be able to see all places around the world and is not limited but certain places only. There are a few functions for Google Maps. Firstly, offer directions for driver, bikers, walkers and any transportation user who want to take a trip from one place to another. Second, explore or have a look to the place first before you get there. And third, be able to find nearest restaurant, school and public attraction so that you'll be able to see the reviews of the places before you go. And also, I would like to add more about Google Maps. Google Maps now also help people with mobility issues use public transportation by specifically identifying wheelchair accessible roads. So, let me tell you how to do it. Firstly, enter your destination into the app, tap direction and select the public transportation icon. Tap option and under the roads section, you can choose wheelchair accessibility. Next, Google Maps have indoor maps. Even though not every location offers an indoor floor plan, but for those that do, you can use Google Maps to assist you in navigating around a large, complex venue like a big mall and park. Here's how to do it. First, search for a place that you like and zoom into the map so that a floor plan comes into the view. And lastly, choose the levels or floors you are interested in. And there you go, you get it. Next, Gmail. Gmail is a free email service provided by Google. In many ways, Gmail is like any other email service. You can send and receive emails, block spam, create an address book, and perform other basic email tasks. Why should we use Gmail? Gmail has a lot of new functions and features that you can see. So let's see what is it. First, Gmail provided plenty of storage. Gmail provides over 50 GB of free storage, which allow you to save all your messages for future reference. Second, conversations in emails are organized into threads. Emails are automatically grouped according to subject line. When you receive a reply to a message, all provides related messages are displayed in a collapsible vertical thread, making it easy to see the entire conversation and review what has been discussed previously. And that's malware and virus checking. File attachments are saved on Google server, but if a malware or virus makes it through into the message, Gmail displays a warning and immediately quarantine the offending message. And fourth, spam filtering. Spam filtering is Gmail has a pretty excellent spam filtering. Stray messages do get through occasionally, but for the most part, you are unlikely to see messages you don't want to see. And next, indicate important message using stars. Use a star in your inbox to mark certain message as important. For example, you can start messages that you need to reply to later. To a star message, simply click to the star to the left of the sender's name. And last but not least, read and organize your messages in your inbox. Your inbox displays all the email messages you receive and haven't yet moved to a label or archive. By default, unread messages in your inbox have a white background and display in the bold lettering, while read messages have a gray background and normal type.
Next, the other services that available on Google is Google Chrome. This service is free and available for everyone. Google Chrome also is gaining many new users day by day and making it one of the most popular web browsers in the world. Then, we also can get many benefits from Google Chrome, such as we can search the internet through our address bar at any time. We also can alter the color and theme of the browser according to individual taste. It's also really easy to use because it has a very basic and simple design. No matter how old are you, everyone can use it easily. Then they also offer you to automatically translate pages into language that we can understand. Such as if you search for Wikipedia, they will ask you whether you want to change the language from English to Bahasa Malaysia. Then, Google Chrome also is currently best linked it out with Internet Explorer and Mozilla Firefox. For top spots, and depending on the day, either one of them can be in the lead. Lastly, if you want to install something from Google Chrome, it will take you only a second.
The next service is Google Photos. Google Photos is where we can store, share, view, and edit photos and videos. The users also can upload new photos, save and create new video animation, and collages. What is special about Google Photos is it works for both Android and iOS devices. What does Google Photos do? It provides automated backup for the media in your devices, and it also provides huge capacity of storage, and we can free up space on our phone. Next, Google Photos provides users with auto-generated extra, and it can create photo book collection and such as album. Furthermore, Google Photos can grouping the picture based on factors or category, such as based on date and application that you use. Finally, it can print and ship those photo books or albums, and it also provides search option for the user.
Next, Google Play Service. Google Play Service used to update Google Apps. Then, Google fragmentation issue will tackle using Google Play Service. It is to ensure that even older version of Android still can enjoy the latest features provided by Google. Secondly, Google Play Service acts as a hub. It is because the other apps rely upon for security service provided by Google. Because of that, we can see Google Play service will ask a lot of permission to access for the sensor, calendar, camera, contacts, microphone, phone, SMS, and storage. Lastly, Google Play service is very important. The process is almost all Google apps use Google Play service. Many apps rely on it to access Google APIs, Application Programming Interface, for add functionalities. As most apps from Play Store rely on this service, disabling or uninstalling Google Play service might cause those apps to break down and Google apps will not work.
Lastly, the last services that are available on Google is Google Drive. Google Drive is ultimately our top pick for the best online storage and also known as a cloud-based storage. It is because of the amount of storage that you can get and the additional features and apps that you can access, including Office programs like Docs and Sheets. And it is also quick links to services like YouTube and Maps. Next, the benefits of Google Drive is you can send large files to family, friends, and coworkers. It means that if you happen to use Gmail or Google Meet, also using Google Drive will allow you to send large files to your contacts directly from your email account. Furthermore, Google Drive also provides you efficient built-in search engine. This is because Google Drive has its very own built-in search engine, which allows you to search by file type such as image, Word document, or video, as well as by keyword. It also allows you to search by owner. Then Google Drive also can back up our precious files. It means that it has a better storage alternative than external storage, like external hard drive or USB stick, because it can both begin to malfunction or become corrupted over time, meaning that you can lose your precious files. But this will not happen if you're using Google Drive. Then, lastly, Google Drive also offers you all these benefits while being entirely free to use. Okay, that's all for now. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.